Hi, Bes! Para sa Diyosa ng Qatar, ang aking maganda at forever best friend, happy 50th birthday sa'yo, Bes. Basta ang alam ko lang, napakaswerte ko kasi hanggang ngayon, tayo pa rin yung best friend for almost 36 years na. Ikaw yung kasama ko sa lahat ng lungkot, saya, mga pangarap natin sa buhay, para sa family natin, saka yung mga maritesa natin. Hindi man tayo laging nakikita or nagtatawagan, pero alam natin na love natin ang isa't isa. Hindi lang bilang isang magkaibigan, kundi talagang kapatid na yung turingan natin. Gusto ko lang sabihin sa iyo kung gaano ka kahalaga sa akin. Basta kahit anong mangyari, nandito pa rin ako para sa iyo, kahit mag-senior citizen na tayo. I wish you more happiness, madami pang blessing, good health, para kahit magkaapo na tayo, magka-bonding pa din tayo. Happy 50th birthday uli, Bes. Enjoy your day. Love kita, Bes. Mwah!
Hello, Bes. Happy 50th birthday. Wish ko lang sa birthday mo, good health, happy life, and more power. Kahit hindi tayo nagkikita, kahit hindi tayo nag-uusap, ikaw pa rin ang best friend ko. Love you!
Hi, friend! Happy 50th birthday! O, para namang hindi ka pa mukhang 50 yan, ha? Lalo kang gumaganda. Thank for all the wonderful memories and being such a good friend to me. Wishing you more chikahan and blessing. Love you!
Hello, Maribel! 1, 2, 3. Happy 50th birthday, Ruth! Sa Gayang family!
Ang pinakamagandang babae sa balat ng mundo ng isang Happy Birthday!
Happy birthday, Maring Ruth. Wish you all the best and success. More birthdays to come. Ingat palagi.
Hi Ruth, happy birthday to you, to my favorite kaibigan and kumare. Sana lagi kang masaya sa iyong kaarawan at lahat ng iyong mga mitiin sa buhay ay matupad sa tulong natin mahal na Panginoon Diyos. Happy birthday again. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Mommy. Love you.
Happy birthday, Tita Ruth!
Jollibee! Jollibee!
Hello. Ruth, happy birthday. Happy birthday. God bless you. Ingat kayo palagi dyan. Hindi ba kayo inaabot ng nauputukan?
Mama, I want to say happy birthday to you like that. I love you and I miss you. Take care always. I always pray for you. I love you so much. See you soon.
Kiss, Mama. Kiss. Three. Happy birthday, Ruth. God bless. Enjoy your life. Happy 50th.
Happy
50th?
Birthday! FBFF!
Love you! 7.
Happy
50th!
Birthday.
Tita Ruth!
Hi Ruth! Kamusta kayong lahat dyan sa Qatar? Happy birthday nga pala. Sana ma-enjoy mga araw na ito. Naway patuloy kang gabayan ng Panginoon. Kayo dyan, lalo na mga bata. Sana maging malakas ka pa at lalong gumanda. Happy birthday! Nga pala, may import ako para sa'yo.
Hi Ruth! 8 Milad sa Eid. Kung sana winti tayo ba? Birthday mo na pala ngayon. Ang bilis ng panahon, 50 years old ka na. Parang hindi halatang 50 ha. Akala ko 49 ka lang. Happy birthday Ruth. Ingat kayo dyan. Regards sa iyong family.
Bye-bye! Love you!
Hi Ruth! Happy 40th birthday! 40th ba? Ay! 50 na pala!
Nako, 50 ka na pala. Anyway, age is just a number. Ang maganda, beautiful ka pa rin. Masaya ang buhay pamilya. And healthy. So, yun ang importante. Mamimiss namin tong birthday mong to at wala ka dito. Anyway, see you around when you go home sa June. So, stay beautiful inside and out. Love you, love you, love you.
Assalamualaikum. Kamusta kayo dyan mga guys? Hi Ruth. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. 50 years old ka na pala. But you're not look like 50 years old. Para bang 49 years old ka lang. Kamusta na kayo dyan? Sana lagi kayong mag-iingat dyan. At sana mahaba pa. Naabot mo na yung kalahati pa more for 100 years.
Hi, Ruth! Happy birthday!
To you.
Mag-iingat kayo dyan. May putukan pa ba dyan?
Dito, lagi may
Kailangan lagi tayong masaya at 50 na.
10 more years at ikaw ay member na.
Malapit na kitang maging member. See you soon. Ingat kayo dyan. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Okay.
Hello, Ruth, nak. Happy 50th birthday. Ang wish ko sa iyo, magkaroon ng mahabang buhay para makasama pa namin kayo. Maging masaya ang iyong birthday. Mag-iingat kayo dyan. Good health always. I love you. Bye-bye. Ruth, mahal na mahal kita. Ruth. Gusto na kitang makita. Ruth. Ingat kayo dyan. Ingat kayo dyan. Okay na. Rod, nakain kayo sa Maxi, kain mo na kami dyan. Happy birthday, Rod. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Mag-ingat. And many more birthday to come. I love you. I love you.
Hi, Ruth. Happy 50th birthday. Sana ibigyan ka pa ni Lord ng maraming birthday and still beautiful. Happy birthday ulit. Ingat kayo dyan. I love you. Bye-bye.
Happy 50th
Birthday.
Our golden girl. Love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Ruth. Party soon.
Hi, Ruth. Happy birthday. Birthday mo pala. 50 years old ka na pala. Ingat kayo dyan palagi.
Happy birthday, Ruth! Happy 50th birthday! Happy birthday, Ruth! You wish you peace, happiness, and good health. Love you all, and God sa Johanan. Hi! We're driving. Isa kami kina Ate Terry. Kasi ngayon ni Kuya Aaron. Kaya nag-drive kami ngayon. 1 hour driving from Oslo hanggang sa bahay nila Ate Terry. Kaya ganito kami. Mabilis. Enjoy your birthday! Love you! Love you! Bye-bye!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hip hip,
Hooray!
hip hip.
Hooray! From a little girl to a beautiful woman, seeing your journey has been a blessing. Happy birthday to our dear Pamangkin Ruth. Good luck, good health, and God bless you. From Olongapo with love.
Hooray! Okay, hi Ruth, happy birthday. Wishing you good health, big smile, and endless happiness this year. Enjoy your day and ingat. Bye.
Bye. Enjoy your day. Bye.
Hi, Ate Ruth. Just wanted to say happy 50th birthday. I hope that you have the best day celebrating this huge milestone of a birthday. Love from the Gold Coast. Love you.
Happy birthday, ate.
To my beautiful niece, Ruth, happy 50th birthday. Sana pagpalain ka pa ng buong may kapal, gayon din ang iyong pamilya at mga pinsan dyan. Maraming salamat sa patuloy mong pagtulong sa iyong mga pinsan dyan, sa lahat ng mga tao nagmamahal sa iyo. We love you. Enjoy your special day.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to
Ate
you.
Ruth.
Happy birthday.
Happy 50th
Happy birthday, yes.
birthday,
Birthday.
Ate Ruth.
Ate Ruth. Happy 50th.
Birthday! Ninang Ruth! Happy golden birthday, Ate Ruth! I love you! Mwah.
3, 2, 1, go. Happy birthday, Mami Ruth. I love you.
Happy 50th birthday, Mami.
Happy 50 years birthday. Oh, anak, more birthday to come, good health, and more successful life, and more happiness. Love you.
Kayo tayo,
Tayo kayo.
Gusto kong umuwi na kayo. Makita ko ang apo ko.
Happy birthday, Tita Ruth. Ate, ngayong 50th birthday mo, sana maging malakas ang iyong pangangatawan. At alam ko naman na para ka pa ding bata at hindi ka tumatanda. At ako at ang aking pamilya ay nagpapasalamat sa mga nagawa mo sa amin, sa mga naitulong mo. At mag-iingat ka palagi. Happy birthday po ulit, ate.
Happy birthday, Ate. Salamat sa lahat.
Happy
50th
Birthday.
Mami Ruth.
Happy 50th.
Birthday, Mom.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.